The Tata Tiago CNG is a perfect example of how Tata Motors blends eco-conscious engineering with youthful design and city-friendly performance. Based on the popular Tiago hatchback, the CNG variant offers an excellent balance between affordability, style, and sustainability, making it one of the smartest choices for urban commuters and budget-conscious drivers looking to go green without compromise. Gear performance: smooth, efficient, reliable. Under the hood, the Tata Tiago CNG is powered by a 1.2-liter Revotron engine that delivers 72.41 PS power and 95 Nm torque in CNG mode. Mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, the power delivery is smooth and refined. Ideal for city driving with linear acceleration and responsive handling. Dual-cylinder setup ensures better boot space management and safety. Tata has tuned the suspension well to absorb bumps, keeping ride quality balanced and stable. While not built for outright speed, the Tiago CNG offers enough punch for daily commutes and light highway duties, all while maintaining a calm and quiet cabin. Oncoming car exterior design: bold yet compact. The Tiago CNG doesn't cut corners on looks. Features Tata's signature Humanity Line front grille, chrome accents, projector headlamps, LED DRLs in higher trims and sporty 15-inch alloy wheels. Sharp character lines and a sculpted bumper give it a youthful appeal. Available in trendy colors like flame red, midnight plum, and Arizona blue. Despite being a compact hatchback, it has a strong road presence. Tata has ensured the CNG variant maintains the same visual charisma as its petrol sibling. Couch and lamp interior design: comfort with purpose. Step inside and you're greeted with a premium and ergonomic cabin. Dual-tone interior theme with textured dashboard. 7-inch touchscreen infotainment with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Fully digital instrument cluster in higher variants. Comfortable fabric seats with good back support. Power windows, auto climate control, steering-mounted controls. The dual-cylinder CNG tank setup ensures minimum compromise on boot space. The cabin feels airy and well-appointed for a car in this segment. Fuel pump fuel efficiency, budget-friendly brilliance. One of the main highlights of the Tata Tiago CNG is its outstanding mileage. Delivers around 26.49 kilometers per kilogram, ARAI certified in CNG mode. Petrol mode offers approximately 19 kilometers L. Running cost is significantly lower than petrol-only models, especially for city use. Dual fuel setup ensures no range anxiety, switch to petrol whenever needed. Great for users who drive regularly and want long-term savings without sacrificing convenience. Money bag pricing: value that's hard to beat. The Tata Tiago CNG is priced attractively, starting at around 6.60 lakh rupees ex-showroom India. Top variant goes up to approximately 8.10 lakh rupees. Variants: Z, XM, XT, XZ+, and recently introduced Tiago iCNG AMT automatic. With the amount of features, safety tech, and efficiency it offers, Tiago CNG remains a top contender in its class. If you're looking for a car that's affordable, stylish, practical, and eco-friendly, the Tata Tiago CNG ticks all the right boxes. It delivers where it matters most: mileage, comfort, safety, and looks, without breaking the bank. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a city dweller wanting to cut fuel costs, the Tiago CNG is the green step forward in urban driving. Would you like SEO content for this overview for YouTube or another platform as well?